गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप लोग? तो स्टूडेंट्स, इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ कैटलिस्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एक्शन. We have talked about the catalyst on the basis of the state, physical state. That already we have discussed, that homogeneous catalyst and heterogeneous catalyst. And in today's videos, we are discussing about the types of the catalyst on the basis of the action. Students, this is very important topic for you. ये टॉपिक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है स्टूडेंट्स. तो यू मस्ट वॉच द वीडियो. यू हैव टू लर्न at least one examples and definition of the relevant catalyst. So here first is positive catalyst, second one negative catalyst, third one auto catalyst, and fourth is biocatalyst. So these are the types of catalyst, students. Okay students. So first is positive catalyst, second negative catalyst, third auto catalyst, fourth biocatalyst. And now one by one we will see them. So let's start with the positive catalyst. तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, हम पहले डिस्कस करते हैं पॉजिटिव कैटेलिस्ट की. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स वी टेक फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल positive catalyst. Positive catalyst. Okay, positive catalyst. तो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आर द पॉजिटिव कैटेलिस्ट? एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट्स, पॉजिटिव कैटेलिस्ट वो होते हैं जो एक पॉजिटिव रोल प्ले करते हैं. यहां पे पॉजिटिव रोल मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स हियर द कैटेलिस्ट विच इज यूज्ड टू इंक्रीज द, enhance the, boost up the rate of reaction. Means the catalyst which increase the velocity or speed of a chemical reaction. Some chemical reaction they occur very slow, so we want to make their speed. For that purpose we have to add some additional substance, and that additional substance which increase the rate of reaction are known as positive catalyst. So here definition, I can write the definition here. The substance which increase the velocity or rate of a reaction in a chemical reaction is called positive catalyst. So dear students, this is the definition of positive catalyst. So the substance which increase the velocity or rate of reaction in a chemical reaction is called as positive catalyst. So students, ये तो आपकी definition. And now we will see the examples. So students, two examples we are taking for each. First of all, when KClO3 potassium chlorate, KClO3, this is the potassium chlorate, KClO3, this is the potassium chlorate. When potassium chlorate is heated, a triangle sign, it means this is being heated. So when potassium chlorate is heated in the presence of MnO2, yes students, what is the name of MnO2? Manganese dioxide. When potassium chlorate is heated in the presence of manganese dioxide, MnO2, then here we get KCl, that is potassium chloride, along with oxygen gas, evolution of oxygen gas. Students, if you balance it, so after balancing, here you can write 3, so that this side number of oxygen atom 6 and this side you multiply by 2, then oxygen atom for the left side is 6 and oxygen atom for the right side also 6. Here left side potassium 2 and here you can write by 2. So potassium balanced, chlorine 2 balanced, oxygen balanced. So this is the balanced equation. Students, in this reaction means when potassium chlorate is heated in the presence of MnO2, then it produces KCl along with the evolution of O2 gas, oxygen gas. So here, what is this MnO2? Students, here MnO2 is a positive catalyst. MnO2 is a पॉजिटिव कैटेलिस्ट. तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आपका जो MnO2 है वो आपका पॉजिटिव कैटेलिस्ट है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ पॉजिटिव कैटेलिस्ट. करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स. तो KClO3 heated in the presence of manganese dioxide, MnO2, produce KCl along with the O2. Next example, students. Now I am telling next example, that is SO2. This is the second example, sulfur dioxide. SO2 means sulfur dioxide. So here I am taking sulfur dioxide. Okay students, when this sulfur dioxide SO2, okay, it burns, it reacts with O2, oxygen gas. When students sulfur dioxide react with oxygen gas, then reaction will very slow. We have to make the reaction fast. Then we have to add what? NO, that is nitrogen monoxide. This is NO. NO means no, that no, nahi wala no nahi. NO means nitrogen monoxide we have to add, and it produce fastly or rapidly SO3. SO3 means sulfur trioxide. So here your sulfur trioxide. So this is for sulfur trioxide, SO3. Here students, NOH positive catalyst. Why? Because it increases the speed of chemical reaction. So about the positive catalyst, in first case it was MnO2 and in second case this is NO, means nitrogen monoxide. These two examples are enough up to 10th standard. In examination, if definition is asked, that don't write only definition, you have to write the examples also. If you can write two examples, well and good, otherwise at least one example you have to write. Okay students, next is positive catalyst is over. And now here our second type of catalyst is, that is negative catalyst. Negative catalyst. तो स्टूडेंट्स हम अब बात करेंगे नेगेटिव कैटेलिस्ट की. तो व्हाट आर नेगेटिव कैटेलिस्ट? तो स्टूडेंट्स ये नेगेटिव कैटेलिस्ट क्या होते हैं? नेगेटिव कैटेलिस्ट आर जस्ट contrary, opposite to the positive catalyst one. ये स्टूडेंट्स पॉजिटिव कैटेलिस्ट के जस्ट उल्टे होते हैं. तो हियर some substances are there. The substance when we add in a reaction, in a reactant mixture, then the rate of reaction, the velocity of the reaction get slowed down, means they decrease the velocity of the chemical reaction, and such type of substance which decrease or slow down the rate of reaction is known as negative catalyst. तो वो स्टूडेंट्स आपके नेगेटिव कैटेलिस्ट होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ डेफिनेशन. तो ये स्टूडेंट डेफिनेशन, द substance which decreases or slow down, decreases or slow down the velocity of a chemical reaction, is known as negative catalyst. Negative catalyst. So this is the definition of negative catalyst. And now students, examples are very important. Don't try to forget the example. Students, now here we are taking the example like that. H2O2 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 hydrogen H2O2, this is hydrogen peroxide. What is the name of this compound, students? Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. In hydrogen peroxide, if we add what? Glycerol, Glycerol, glycerol. Then the reaction becomes slow. Actually, students, hydrogen peroxide decompose very fast. We have to check the speed, we have to check its rate of reaction. Then we have to add a compound here, glycerol. Then students, it decomposes in H2O, water, along with the O2, oxygen gas here. If you balance the equation here, this side O2, this side O2, so students, here you can multiply by 2 this side, then this 2 and this 2, 4, and here you write 2. So this is the balanced chemical equation. So students, in this reaction, in hydrogen peroxide, as the reactant mixture here, hydrogen peroxide here, if we add glycerol, then it checks, it stops, it's not stop, it max slow down the speed of the reaction, and here this glycerol is actually here, glycerol is here acting like the negative catalyst. So this is the first example for negative catalyst. So two examples I am giving for each. Okay, students, and next we will have another example. Second example, students, when chloroform, formula for chloroform is CHCl3, chloroform. This is the formula for chloroform, CHLOROFORM, chloroform. What is this chloroform? Do you know about the chloroform? Actually, chloroform, on smelling, it makes the person unconscious, means it brings in a person consciousness, ये बेहोश कर देता है. जब इसको सूंघा जाता है तो जो सूंघने वाला जो पर्सन है वो अनकॉन्शियस हो जाता है, स्टूडेंट्स, बेहोश हो जाता है. सो एंड द रिएक्शन of the decompose this, and when this CHCl3 is exposed to air, और इसको अपन खुला छोड़ देते हैं, बोतल का ढक्कन हटा देते हैं, लीड को अपन ओपन कर देते हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स ये ऑक्सीजन, एटमॉस्फेयर ऑक्सीजन से ये रिएक्ट हो जाती है, ये ऑक्सीजन से कंबाइन हो जाती है, और आफ्टर गेटिंग कंबाइंड it produce rapidly a very poisonous gas. Do you know what is the name of this poisonous gas? COCl2. COCl2. What is the name of this gas? Phosgene. So here I am writing PHOSGENE, phosgene. Actually this phosgene is very poisonous gas. ये बहुत ही जहरीली गैस होती है स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज ए पॉइजनियस गैस, मीन्स ए पर्सन कैन डाई if it comes in contact for the long time or short time, doesn't matter, but person may lead to death. And hydrochloride acid, HCl, is also formed here. After balancing it, you will get here 2 and here you write 2. Now check both the side, here you check. Here right side 2 chlorine atom, here 2 to the 4, 4 and 5 this side. And this side here students 4. So here 2COCl2 plus 2HCl you write here. Now check. So this side right side chlorine 4 plus 2 6 and left side chlorine, this is also 6. So chlorine equal both the sides. Now oxygen this side 2 and this side oxygen 2. So both the side oxygen also 2 2. So chlorine balanced, oxygen balanced, and now hydrogen this side 2 and this side also hydrogen 2. And now finally what is left? Carbon is left. So carbon both sides 2 2. So C2 and C2. So this is now balanced. So now students, this reaction is very fast. It occurs rapidly with a very fast speed. It needs to make it slow. इसको स्लो करने की बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरत होती है. So for that purpose we have to add what? C2H5OH in it. C2H5OH. What is this C2H5? This is students ethyl alcohol, or you can write ethanol. This is what? This is ethanol. ये स्टूडेंट्स आपका एथेनॉल हो गया. तो यू हैव टू यूज हियर ethyl alcohol और ethanol. तो यहाँ पे C2H5OH it plays as the role of catalyst, and this catalyst is used to slow down the speed of the reaction. That's why it is negative catalyst. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये आपका नेगेटिव कैटेलिस्ट है. दिस इज द नेगेटिव कैटेलिस्ट. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so we have discussed positive catalyst and negative catalyst, and now next, that is important catalyst, and next is third, autocatalyst. Auto and here catalyst. Autocatalyst. Autocatalyst. Here students, meaning of the autocatalyst. Auto means students itself. Auto means itself. So what is this autocatalyst? Students, कुछ रिएक्शंस में हमें एक्स्ट्रा एडिशनल सब्सटेंस ऐड करने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है. उसमें जो भी प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं उनमें से कोई एक प्रोडक्ट एक कैटेलिस्ट का प्ले रोल करता है और वो उस रिएक्शन की स्पीड को बूस्ट अप कर देता है. मीन्स autocatalyst is a substance which is produced as the product, and that product play the role of catalyst, which can increase the speed of the reaction, and that प्रोडक्ट इज नोन एज ऑटो कैटेलिस्ट, और स्टूडेंट्स उस कैटेलिस्ट का जो नेम होगा वो आपका होगा ऑटो कैटेलिस्ट। इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो you can write the definition. When the product is formed in a chemical reaction, when the product is formed in a chemical reaction, itself acts as a catalyst. Who plays the role here? That product only, this product. So when the product is formed in a chemical reaction, itself, here itself means product, acts as a catalyst which increases the velocity of the reaction. Then the product is known as autocatalyst. So it is the definition of autocatalyst. Now students, examples. Here we can write only one example, that is enough. Reaction is very important reaction, and here we take the example of ethyl acetate. Students, here I am writing ethyl acetate formula CH3 COO C2H5. Actually this ethyl acetate, it is the, you can say it is one kind of ester, a very sweet smelling product, ester. CH3 COO C2H5. If you break down it, here you will have one is cation, one is anion. Here as the anion here CH3COO, actually it's acetate. It is the acetate, and C2H5 C2H6 ethane. If from ethane one hydrogen is removed, then it is what? Ethyl. When ethyl is connected with the acetate group, acetate here anion, so it becomes ethyl acetate. So here students, here ethyl acetate, here it is ethyl acetate, here it is ethyl acetate. This ethyl acetate, it is very sweet smelling product, students. If we add in this ethyl acetate CO2, reaction of ethyl acetate with the sorry, water. If it is added water, that is hydrolysis. If in ethyl acetate water is added, then what about the product? Students, this H2O you can write H positive ion and OH negative ion. You can break down it in this way, H plus and OH minus. So students, here this H plus, it is being positive, it will attach with this CH3COO group, and here you will get CH3 COOH plus C2H5, it will attach with the OH, and here you will have C2H5OH. Here we have got two products. One is ethanoic acid. This first one is ethanoic acid, and second one is ethanol. One is carboxylic acid, other is alcohol. So CH3, this ethyl acetate, breaks down in the presence of water in ethanoic acid as well as ethanol. Students, the rate of reaction is very fast. We have to make it slow. And here, product that C2H5 here, this product C2H5OH, this product here will play the role to enhance the reaction. ये इस रिएक्शन को बूस्ट अप करेगा, इनहेंस करेगा इसकी रिएक्शन को, इसकी स्पीड को. तो यहाँ पे C2H5OH है. Actually students, it is the product which is formed as the result of the reaction, और ये रोल प्ले करेगा क्या? टू इंक्रीज द speed. Earlier I told that it is slow. Actually it is not fast reaction, it is slow reaction. We have to make it fast. For making fast purpose, yes, this C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, it is used here. It will act as the catalyst to increase the speed of reaction. It is the speed of reaction. So this is the ऑटो कैटेलिस्ट. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ऑटो कैटेलिस्ट जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है, उस प्रोडक्ट में कोई एक प्रोडक्ट कैटेलिस्ट का रोल प्ले करता है, और उसका जो वर्क है, उसका जो फंक्शन है, उसका जो काम है, वो सिर्फ क्या है? रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को इनहेंस करना. एंड लास्ट वन स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज द फोर्थ वन. This is the biocatalyst. Biocatalyst. What do you mean by the biocatalyst? Students, by the name also you can see here bio. Bio means biochemical reactions. Students, biochemical reactions are those chemical reactions which occurs inside our body. जो हमारे बॉडी में जो भी केमिकल रिएक्शंस होती है, मे बी फॉर दैट रेस्पिरेशन, मे बी फॉर दैट डाइजेशन, मे बी फॉर एनी अदर पर्पज, फॉर एक्सक्रेशन, digestions. For that we need some substance, and that substance in terms of biochemical reaction they are known as enzymes. तो हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे एंजाइम्स होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. वो एंजाइम क्या करते हैं, वो उस सिस्टम को जो बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन है उसकी रेट को इंक्रीज करते हैं, उसकी रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को इनहेंस करते हैं. तो दैट इज द बायोकैटेलिस्ट. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये हो गया आपका बायोकैटेलिस्ट. तो यू कैन राइट द डेफिनेशन. द कैटेलिस्ट or the substance, you write here the substance which is used, यहाँ पे substance means students एंजाइम होगा. तो द सब्सटेंस विच इज यूज्ड टू increase the rate of biochemical reactions in our body is known as biocatalyst. So this is the definition of biocatalyst. And last, finally, we have to give the example of biocatalyst. So students, for the breakdown of urea, here very important example in biocatalyst, don't forget it. Here example is NH2 CONH2. This is the formula for urea. So this is students urea. Here I have taken urea. Okay students. When in urea in our body, not that urea that we use for that as a fertilizers for in that agriculture purpose. Inside our body, urea is the one type of excretory product. ये वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होता है स्टूडेंट्स यूरिया, जो यूरिन के थ्रू निकलता है. तो NH2CONH2, if we drink water, if we drink plenty of water, then this urea get breakdowns. इस यूरिया का स्टूडेंट्स ब्रेकडाउन होता है और ब्रेकडाउन से 2 गैसेस बनती है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट गैसेस बनती है. वन ऑफ देम इज अमोनिया, दैट इज NH3, एंड अदर गैस इज ए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. दिस इज द CO2, दैट इज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हियर अमोनिया एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, दिस इज फॉर. बट फॉर दैट one enzyme play very important role for breakdown of this NH2CONH2 in ammonia and carbon dioxide, and this name is urease. UREASE, urease. Here student, this urease is an enzyme. Urease is an enzyme, or you can say this is the substance which breaks down the urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. So here this urease is an enzyme which is used to boost up the chemical reaction here. So here urease is an enzyme, and this enzyme is actually known as what? Biocatalyst. बायोकैटेलिस्ट, और स्टूडेंट्स इसका नेम हो गया बायोकैटेलिस्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so this is the example for biocatalyst. So in today's videos we have discussed 4 types of catalyst, and in next upcoming videos we will see catalyst inhibitor and catalyst promoter, after that characteristics of the catalyst, and then your chapter will get over. So in today's video this is enough students. So thank you, have a nice day.